A very good morning, children. Welcome to the online session of subject mathematics of 7th class. I hope so. You all are very fine and staying healthy in the present situation. So, in the previous class, we discussed about the number line representation, addition and subtraction of integers on the number line representation. Is it right? So, I hope so. You have understood these topics very easily. So here we are dealing with the role of basic fundamental operations on the number line. So what are the basic fundamental operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So how these four fundamental operations will be playing a role on the number line. So we are dealing with that one. So in that concept we have discussed about addition and subtraction. Addition of integers on the number line and addition of negative integers on the number line and subtraction of integers on the number line, subtraction of negative integers on the number line we have seen. So till now we have understood about addition and subtraction, and I hope so the homework which I have given in the previous class about on the basic on the concept of subtraction you have been understood very well. So and you have done it very easily. So now we shall go with the multiplication of integers on the number line. So on the number line, how we can multiply the integers, whether positive integers or negative integers. So we shall see that concept easily. Okay, so we shall go with the multiplication of integers. Okay, multiplication of integers on the number line, on the number line. Okay, so on the number line, how the multiplication is used, how we can multiply. So normal multiplication we can do. If you know the tables means we can do the multiplication. But on the number line, how we have to represent, that is a very important concept. So with this concept we can able to identify them, we can able to grasp the representation. So math means representation skills should be very much important. Okay, so here in this, so how we can represent on the number line of multiplication, we shall say. Suppose if we take any multiplication, like suppose I am taking 2 into 8 I am taking 2 into 8. So basically what is the 2 into 8? 2 into 8 is 16. We all can know, we all will say that 2 into 8 is 16, or 8 into 2 is 16. So we can say like that. So this is a normal multiplication. So on the number line, how we can multiply? So first of all, what is the meaning of multiplication? We know that multiplication is a repeated addition. So 2 into 8 is 16. So that means 2, if you add 2 8 times means it will be, the result will be the 16. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 3 3 6 7 8. So 2 into 8. So 2 you should add 8 times. So then it will give 16. Then the answer will be 16. So how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So that means 2 into 8 is 16. So repeated addition, repetition of addition is called multiplication. Repetition of addition is called multiplication. Okay, so like this you have to do. So this is the definition of multiplication. So how you have to repeat the addition? So if you are skipping the numbers and if you are repeating on the number line, then the multiplication will be coming. So suppose if we go on with the number line. So for the same example we are going with the number line. So is there any negative numbers? No negative numbers. So directly I am starting here with 0. Okay, no need of negative numbers here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So up to 19 and so on will be. Okay. Like this I have written up to 19. So here which number is there? 2 into 8. So here whatever the number is there, so from the 0 onwards, you should jump 2 times. You should jump 2 times. So first 2 is there. So 2 means 2 into 1 is 2 only. So that means, so from 0 onwards you should go with the 2 steps. So you should skip 1 step and you should go with the next step. So that means 2 steps forward you should go. So 2 into 1, 2. Next 2 into 2, 4. That means 2 times I have jumped. 2 times I have jumped means, so 2. So 2 places are there. 1 place, 1 step and 2 step. So 1 step, 2 steps. So 2 steps for the one time I have jumped. For the one time I have jumped 2 places. That means 2 into 1 is 2 only. So 2 into 1 is 2. Okay. Next. Again one more time I have jumped. Second time. So 2 into 2 times. 2 into 2 times I have jumped. So what is the answer? 4. Okay. Like this. 1 time, 2 time. Next. Third time. Fourth time. Fifth time. Sixth time. Seventh time. Eighth time. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 times I have jumped. So jumping 8 times. So jumping 8 times jumps by the number 2. Okay. So the number 2 is jumping 8 times. So skipping 2 numbers from starting with 0. Starting with 0 you should jump. Okay. Because 2 into 0 also we will count. So like that. So starting from 0, for every multiplication you should start from the 0 only. Okay. 0 onwards you should take 2 steps forward. 2 steps forward. You should skip one number in between that number. Okay. So 8 times I have jumped. After 8 times jumping, at which number it is stopped? At the number 16. So what is the answer? So 16 is the answer. So both the answers are getting tallied. So tallying is very much important here. Okay. So like this, if the both the numbers are tallied means, then your answer is, your process is correct. So what is the answer? 8, 2 into 8 is 16. Okay. Like this you have to do the multiplication of positive integers. Okay. So what will become as a negative integer? What will happen if the negative integers are there? So in the previous classes we have seen, so minus into minus is a plus, like that we have seen. Plus into minus is a plus, like that we have seen. So what will happen if the multiplication was given with the negative numbers? If the multiplication was given with the negative numbers. So 2 into minus 8 I am taking. 2 into minus 8 I am taking. So what will become, we shall see. So what is the, for which number negative is there? So for the 8 negative is there. So here you should draw the, first of all, normally we shall say. So 2 into minus 8. So minus 8 2 times you should take. So minus 8 2 times. That means minus 8 plus of minus 8. Minus 8 plus of minus 8. So 2 times I am adding. 2 times I am adding minus 8. So here in between two different numbers there is a bracket. We should remove bracket. So minus 8. So first one is minus 8. Plus into minus is minus 8. So minus 8 minus 8. What is minus 8 minus 8? Minus 16. So minus 16 is the answer. So 2 into minus 8 is minus 16. So this one we should do with the number line representation. So how we should do the representation means, see. So I am drawing a number line. So here negative number is there. So minus 8 is there. So So with the help of 2 and minus 8, that means I am writing here as 0. Okay, 0, 1, 2. Okay, 2. Next, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, minus 15, minus 16, minus 17, minus 18. So and so on will be. Okay, like this I have written. So 2 into minus 8. So minus 8 times we should multiply 2. So starting with 0. So minus 8 times I am moving forward. Minus 8 times I am moving back. And so minus 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, not like this. So directly I am moving minus 8 times. Okay. So 0 to minus 8 times I have moved. Okay. So this is one step. So minus 8. This is one step. So one more step is there. So one more step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is one more step. So backward I am moving. So this is called, so here this is one time, this is one other time. So minus 8 I am moving back side 2 times. Okay. So here like this it will be. So what at which place it is stopped? So minus 6, at the place of minus 16 it is stopped. So what is the answer? So answer is minus 16. So you should tally with the both answers. So in the normal process answer is minus 16. In the number line representation answer is minus 16. So here two answers are same. So that's why your procedure is correct and your process is done and your answer is correct. So like this. So positive number into negative number, it will give a negative answer. So by this pattern, what you should identify means the product means multiplication. Multiplication of a positive integer and a negative integer. What will happen? It will become the negative integer only. Okay. Why? Because we know that plus into minus is minus only. Like this, there will be 4 operations. 4 formulas will be. Those 4 formulas are very important. Okay. So plus into minus is minus. So like this, we have to identify the multiplication of a positive to positive integer, positive to negative integer. Okay, on the number line representation. Okay, I think so you have understood this concept very well. Okay, so now we shall do some 2 problems. Then afterwards I will give the homework. Okay. So in the textbook, in the page number 7, they given do this problem. So the first one is 2 into minus 6 was given. 2 into minus 6 was given. So how you should do? Same in the previous problem, 2 into minus 8. So here 2 into minus 6. So first one, normally we should do the multiplication. Plus into minus 2 into 6. 2 into 6 is 12. So minus 12 is the answer for this multiplication, for this sum, for this problem. So now you should do with the number line representation. So negative number is there. So you should have the negative numbers also. Here 0 I am keeping. 0 after 1, 2 I am taking. Next minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, minus 15 and so on will be. Okay. So this type of numbers I have taken. So here we can do some more special method also. So not only directly we have to take. So here some more special method also is there. So we shall say that method also. Okay. So in the previous problem we have taken -8 two times. -8 two times. So now 2 I am taking -6 times. -6 times. 2 I am moving backward -6 times. So here where is the 2? Here it is a 2. So 6 times I am moving back side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So instead of that one, so very easy process we can see. So very easy process we can see. 1, 2. So whatever the number is there, we should start with a 0 only. We should start with a 0 only. So from the 0 onwards, we should convert. So -6 times. So -6. So 0 to -6 is one part. So 0 to -6 is 6 times. So 6 numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is one time. So 2 times are there. So 2 times now. So 1 time is completed. Next one more time you should move 6 steps. Okay. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the second step. So 2 steps completed. So after 2 steps completion of 2 steps, so at which number it is stopped? At which number it is stopped? At the number of -12. So what is the answer? -12 is a problem, is a solution for this multiplication of integers. Okay, I hope so you are understanding this concept very well. Okay, so like this you should do the multiplication of integers. Okay, so in the next class we shall see one more concept. Now I will give you some homework problems. So you try to do those problems very easy only. So positive and negative numbers. So positive multiplication and negative multiplication both are same only. Okay. Now have some homework problems. Okay. The first one is 5 into -4. 5 into -4. Second, 5 into 4. 5 into 4. Second one is 3 into -4. 3 into -4. So 3 into -4. So these are the two problems I am giving as a homework. These are the two problems I am giving as a homework. First one, what is 5 into 4? So draw the number line up to 20 numbers. So starting with so no negative numbers. So start your number line with a 0 and end with some 20 or 22. Okay, 5 into 4. What is 5 into 4? 20. So draw up to 20 numbers. So afterwards, so 5 times you move the 4. 5 times in the starting with 0. Starting with 0, you move 5 steps for 4. Okay, 0 to 4. 0 to 4, 1 step. So this is 1 step. Like this, you move 5 steps. Okay, so 4 to 8. So with the help of 0, 4, 4, 8, 8, 12, like that you move. So for the 5th step, at which number then these steps are being completed, so that will be the answer for this number. So the answer will be 20. Okay, you try to do and it will be very easy only. Next, 3 into -4. So minus starting with 0, you move 3 times. So you move 3 times. So starting with 0. So the negative numbers should be there. Okay, negative numbers 0 to -4, one step. So like this 3 steps. So the first number should be the steps. Okay, here 5 means 5 steps you move. 3 means 3 steps you move. So this is 1 step. So again -4 to next step 4 times. So -8, like this it will be. So -8. So this is the second step. So like the third step where it will stop, that will be the answer. So 3 into -4, what is the answer? -12 it will be. Okay. So like this you try to do. If you not get means, you once again recall my class so that you will be understanding very easily. So So this is a multiplication of a positive integer with a positive integer and a positive integer with a negative integer. So this is the concept of today's class. So in the next class, what will happen if the two integers are negative? What will happen if the two integers are negative? So negative and a negative. So product of negative and negative will be what will happen, we shall see in the next class. Okay. So have a good day, children. So thank you, children.